In the past few weeks, we've spoken to over 300 CMA US aspirants, and one question kept popping up again and again. What exactly do US CMA professionals do in real companies? What are their roles, their responsibilities? How are they different from traditional accountants? Well, in today's video, we are breaking it all down for you here. From strategic decision making to tech integration, the US CMAs wear many hats, and we're going to explore every one of them. So if you're pursuing the US CMA designation or even just considering it, stick around. This might just help you see the bigger picture of your future career. Let's start with the core, financial management and planning. The US CMAs aren't just people who crunch numbers all day, they are the ones helping businesses figure out where they're headed financially. They create budgets, make forecasts, and help set financial goals that actually make sense for the company. It's not just tracking where the money is going, it's about making sure it's going to the right places. They think ahead, plan for what's coming, and make sure every rupee or dollar is being used wisely. In simple terms, they help businesses grow smarter, not just bigger. Next up is cost analysis and control. The US CMAs really get into the details of what it costs to make a product or deliver a service. But they don't stop at the numbers, they look for ways to do it better. They find smart ways to cut unnecessary costs, boost efficiency, and increase profits without cutting corners on quality. Whether it's rethinking pricing, renegotiating with suppliers, or finding hidden savings, the US CMAs help businesses get more out of every rupee they spend. The US CMAs are also experts in performance analysis. They look at how different teams are doing, like is the marketing spending too much? Is the production team hitting their targets? If something's off, and US CMA will catch it. They don't just collect data, they turn it into clear insights that help businesses run better and more profitability. One of the most underrated roles of a US CMA is risk management. Let's face it, business isn't always predictable. Markets shift overnight, costs rise unexpectedly, supply chains get disrupted. That's where a US CMA steps in. They're trained to spot financial vulnerabilities before they become real problems. Whether it's currency fluctuations, credit issues, or even the risk of internal fraud, the US CMAs help businesses stay a step ahead. They don't just identify risks, they build smart strategies to manage them. So when things get uncertain, companies don't panic, they're prepared. Then comes financial reporting and compliance. It's not just about putting numbers on paper. The US CMAs prepare financial statements that meet both internal business needs and external legal standards. And those statements, they tell the real story of how a company is doing financially. These reports help CEOs make smarter decisions and give investors the confidence to trust the business and keep everything transparent and compliant with the rules. In short, the US CMAs make sure that numbers speak clearly and honestly. US CMAs are key players in strategic decisions. They are not just behind-the-scene number experts, they're key players in strategic decision making. They sit at the table when big business calls are made, like where to invest, whether to go ahead with a merger, or if an acquisition makes sense. They also run detailed cost-benefit analysis to help leaders see financial impact of every major move. What makes US CMAs unique is their ability to see both the details and the big picture. They understand how the day-to-day finances connect to long-term goals. So when leadership is weighing their options, a US CMA's insight often becomes the deciding factor. In short, they don't just follow strategy, they help create it. Their advice can shape the future of an entire organization. In today's fast-changing business landscape, regulatory compliance is critical. The US CMAs play a key role in making sure companies follow all the right financial laws, tax rules, and even the accounting standards. They stay up to date with changing regulations and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. And it's not just about avoiding penalties. When a company stays compliant, it builds trust and credibility with the investors, stakeholders, and even the public. So while it might not be the flashiest part of the job, it's one of the most important ones. We live in a digital age and the US CMAs are not just keeping up, they're leading the way. They're using powerful tools like data analytics, automation softwares, ERP systems, and even cloud-based platforms to make finance faster, smarter, and more accurate. This means fewer manual errors, better insights, and more time to focus on what really matters: strategy and decision making. US CMAs today aren't just number crunchers tucked away in the back of the office. They're tech-savvy professionals helping businesses make smarter moves with smarter tools. Ethics and internal controls might not always make headlines, but they're a huge part of a US CMA's role. US CMAs help build trust from the inside and the out. They put systems in place to prevent fraud, catch errors early, and make sure that every financial move is backed up by integrity. From designing internal policies to setting up checks and balances, they ensure that the company's assets are protected and that every decision aligns with strong ethical standards. Because at the end of the day, good numbers mean nothing without the trust behind them. And finally, leadership. As US CMAs gain experience, they often step into roles that go far beyond managing numbers. They lead finance teams, guide junior professionals, and play a big part in shaping the future of their organizations. It's not just about handling tasks, it's about building strong, capable teams, mentoring the next generation, and creating a culture where smart, ethical, financial thinking becomes the norm. US CMAs grow into leaders who not only understand the business but also help others grow with it. So to everyone who asked, what does a US CMA actually do? The answer is a lot. From crafting financial strategy and managing costs to enabling digital transformation and influencing boardroom decisions, US CMA professionals are multi-dimensional leaders shaping the future of finance. And if you're on the path to becoming one, know that you're not just preparing for a job, you're preparing for a role that carries purpose, leadership, and long-term impact. If this video helped you bring clarity, do like it, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. We're bringing to you more US CMA focused content every single week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to respond. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.